Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be chicken and rice. And here are the ingredients. We have rice, chicken strips, cornbread, green beans, and we're going to use salt and black pepper and my personal season to season our chicken strips. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you're new to the channel and saying this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. Okay crew, so I chopped up a half an onion and a half a red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. And if y'all see that onion just went flying when I tried to chop down on it, it was so funny.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
For the chicken strips, y'all, I just cut them up in 1/4 size pieces. And I seasoned them with salt, black pepper, and my personal season. And I forgot who commented this, but she said she argued her family down about it being lemon pepper season. So I took the paper off for y'all to let y'all know it's not lemon pepper season. And I'm actually going to show y'all a close-up of the seasoning when I get ready to start seasoning the chicken. So it's not lemon pepper. And sis, I took the paper off for you. So hopefully your family don't argue you down.
I can't let you go, baby. Cause I love you.
Alright, so it's time to season our chicken, and y'all already know I don't use a lot of salt when I get ready to season my food. I just use a little bit to enhance the flavor of my food. So I just went in with the salt, and now I'm going in with the black pepper. And hey, I laid that black pepper on that chicken. That chicken was almost blacker than me. But okay, here's my personal seasoning, that what I was telling y'all about. And here's a close-up, and you'll see that it's not lemon pepper. It's my seasoning. It has spices and herbs in it. I'm not going to tell y'all exactly what's in it, but once I get ready to get it packaged and labeled and all that stuff, then y'all will know exactly what's in it. But right now, hey, I can't tell y'all what it is because I don't want nobody to steal my seasoning, because you know how it go. People will try to take your stuff and be like, oh, that's mine. So I'm not going to do that right now. I mixed the chicken up real well and added some more of my seasoning, and I mixed it again, and I decided to go back in with a little black pepper and a little bit more salt.
I want to tell you that I love you 100 times a day.
I went in with 2 tablespoons of margarine and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't recording, so hey, joke's on me. But then I went in with the half an onion and our half of yellow and red bell peppers.
I tell you, Papa, too, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you every day.
Okay, so you want to saute your vegetables around 3 to 5 minutes. And also I added a little black pepper and I added some salt. Salt helps draws out the moisture of the vegetables and enhance the flavor.
One for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm side. Yeah, that really.
It's time to go in with our chicken. Once I put all the chicken in there, I sauteed the chicken for around 5 to 7 minutes to make sure that it was cooked thoroughly. And I didn't cook it all the way, but it was cooked to the point where you can eat it. You know, nobody want no dry meat. So you got to take into consideration that you're gonna boil it with the rice, so don't overcook your chicken.
And love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family.
During the sauteing process, if your pan is a little dry, add a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter. And I went in with 2 tablespoons of margarine, and you also seen what I went in with the EVO, and that is extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Okay, crew, so our chicken is ready, and our chicken is no longer clucking like a bird. So I went in with 3 cups of white grain rice, and I toasted the rice before I added the water. And that also give it like an extra nutty flavor along with the vegetables and everything. So I promise you guys, y'all will love it. Always toast your rice before you add water if you're making a dish like this.
Covered in darkness, and the sun is out of sight. I guess I'm living in the dark age.
I went in with 6 cups of water because I used 3 cups of rice, and normally the way I cook rice, for every cup I use 2 cups of water. So in total, 6 cups of water, and bring your rice to a boil. Then once it starts boiling, put the top on it and turn it down on medium low heat.
Everything is covered in you, and my heart is put to the test. I guess I'm living in the dark age. Hey, 'cause I sure can't see no light. Ever since you left, there's been nothing but a cloudy sky. And there's no day, there's only night.
Okay, so our rice is boiling, and we're gonna put the top on it, and once again turn it down on medium low heat. All right, crew, so our chicken and rice is ready. You got your chicken and your peppers and all that in there. Then I made some green beans over here and some cornbread over there. And I'm about to fix a plate. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please, thumbs up the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. And comment on the videos and let us know what you think. And thank y'all. We made it to 2K. 2,000 subscribers, and I truly appreciate it. I haven't forgot about y'all on the giveaway. We about to fix the plate. Okay, so Queen made a cake. She made a pound cake, but y'all, she had a whole lot of batter, so she had to end up putting it in one of those pans right there. And also, she made some strawberry glazed cinnamon rolls. Yeah, she got a sweet tooth, y'all. But I'm about to fix this plate, and then we're gonna close out this video. Alright, crew. So, hey, you know, sometimes I always give y'all a glass plate and a nice presentation, but hey, I'm gonna keep it simple today. So we got a paper plate. So we got our green beans here, and our chicken and rice, and our cornbread. Thank y'all once again for 2,000 subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the videos, comment on the videos, and y'all already know the saying. Pops will catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.